Hello, this is Don with Dynamo Services, and this is my RC monster truck made by Traxxas, Traxxas. I really don't know how you pronounce it, but I'm making this video today to show you that when I purchased this truck, I also purchased an additional battery. And this battery was $35. Now, this battery lasts about, I would say, double the life of the battery that the car came with. So this battery lasts about 40 minutes. The battery that the car came with only lasts for about 20 minutes. So the point of this video is, if you were to buy one of these RC cars or trucks, I would definitely recommend buying additional batteries, okay? Because you will get a longer life out of the aftermarket battery. So thank you for watching Dynamo Services. Until the next time.